Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today in this video we are going to learn basic Python programs with line by line explanation. This video is very useful for Python beginners and interview preparation. Let's get started. First, program 1 is add two numbers. First program is add two numbers. First I will type a equals to 10. In the first line, a equals to 10, I am storing a value 10 in a variable a. Next is b equals to 20. The second line, I am storing a value 20 in variable b. And next, I will type print of a plus b. I am adding a and b and printing the result using print function. Okay, the output will be 30. See, you got the output, right? The output is 30. This is the first program, add two numbers. It's completed. And next we will go to program 2, find largest of two numbers. Now let us find the largest of two numbers. Now I will give a equals to 10. Here a has a value 10 and b has value 20. This line uses a conditional expression. Print of a if a greater than b, and I will type else b, close the bracket. If a is greater than b, it will print a, otherwise it will print b. So the output is, we'll see 20. See here, you got right, the output is 20. This is the second program, find the largest of two numbers. It's completed. Okay, and next we will move to program 3, check even or odd. Next program is, this is the check even or odd numbers. I will type num equals to 7. Print of, means I will explain now. Number means I will simply I gave num. Okay, here I am storing number 7 in variable num, and print of double colons even, and again double colons, close the column, and if num equals to 0 and else and odd. Okay, here I am the modulus operator gives a reminder here. It's if reminder is 0, the number is even, otherwise the number is odd. Since 7 is odd, the output is odd, right? Yeah, see I have executed, the output is odd. Okay, this one third program is completed. Next I am moving to program 4, check positive or negative. Now let us check positive or negative number. I will type num equals to -5. Why I am giving num equal to -5? Here the value of num is -5, and the print of positive if num greater than 0, else I will type negative. This condition checks if the number is greater than 0. If yes, it prints positive, otherwise it prints negative. So the output is negative, right? This is the program 4, right? Yeah, you can see the output is negative. Now it's program for check positive or negative. This one is completed. And next I will move on to program 5, swap two numbers. Now let us swap two numbers without using third variable. Okay, this is called as a swap two numbers. First I will type a comma b equals to 5 comma 10, and next in the first line a is a 5 and b is 10, like that I have typed. Okay, next line is a comma b equals to b comma a. The second line, Python swap the values automatically. Print of a comma b. Next line is print of a comma b close quote. Now a becomes 10 and b becomes 5, right? The output will be 10 9 5. This is the output. You can see I will type here. Yes, you can see this output will be 10 9 5, right? Yeah. As this is the top most five videos you must see, because this is the basic things we have to learn first. Okay, so friends, today we learned basic Python programs with simple explanations. If you understood this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you want more Python videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.